You're looking for a 3-foot artificial cedar tree to decorate your office, the front of your house for the holidays. This is what I just bought for the holidays. So what do you say we put it together, see what it looks like so you know what to expect. So my first question, because we use these things outside typically on our porch by the door, is weight, right? Is this thing gonna blow around? Is it gonna knock over? Is it gonna be a mess? And I will tell you, this is a really nice solid pot. Like, it really has some feel to it there. I'm very impressed with that. Let's see what it opens up to look like. So a couple things I'll say after setting it up. Number one, I think it's fair to say it's 3 feet. I'd say it's on the smaller side of 3 feet. It was, you know, when we looked at it, we knew it was going to be like a narrow plant, like just like a cedar plant to accent something. And I think it's good for that. Nikki is the queen of making these things look real, not me. But I have to say, even not being the queen of it, I think it actually looks pretty good. My one thing I will say is I have a handful of supplies which have come off the tree. It is definitely very plasticky and sticky, and you should expect that. But at the same time, right, this is really a value proposition. This isn't like a super fancy piece. This is more like you're gonna buy a bunch of them to decorate your property. And I think for that, it is definitely good. Because it is so plasticky, I do believe it's gonna be very durable. I'm gonna have to like let her finish up the final decoration, and then I'm gonna have to add some lights to this. I hope this has been helpful. We'll see you next time.